Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Vice, and today we are watching Chainsaw Man episode 9. In the last episode, so many people died. Makima is dead, Himino is dead, she disappeared completely, and a bunch of people are after us to kill the Chainsaw Devil and take his heart so the Gun Devil can eat it. I feel like Himino died for nothing. She died to save Aki, but whoever these people are that the Gun Devil contracted, they're no joke. They're absolutely no joke. I just don't see how we can make it out of this alive. I really don't. But I'm very excited to keep watching, so without further ado, let's get into it. Don't show me her death again. This girl here, insane power. That was just not fair. And then she's gone. Oh my god, was that like her final act? No, you're not. He's gonna kill you. Denji, target the girl. Oh, he doesn't know. I love bad guys. Why? You can carve them up. Oh, I love the music they chose for this. His laughter. A fingernail is missing? You think you need reinforcements? That speaks a lot to the Chainsaw Devil. Okay, he's kind of getting his ass beat right now, but he's got this. No. What's gonna happen? Okay, he's just too fast. Be careful, Denji, come on. You got enemies. Pay attention. He's not gonna care about a grunt. He don't care. Why are you looking at him? No way, it's a trap. Behind you. Oh my god. Okay. Wow. Okay, Denji's just getting kidnapped. Aki isn't, and the fiend, Power, she ran off. Yeah, it melts off him the same way it melts off Denji. Don't be quite sure about that. Yeah, everyone they went drinking with is dead. Oh, Makima. What? Excuse me. Go back to that. Who are you? No, Miss Makima is not dead. What did she do on that train? How is she alive?
東京でも銃撃が。マキマさん、その血は
どこか撃たれましたか？これは返り血。
But you were hit.
私は撃たれなかった。
You lied. Okay. Episode 1, 2, I don't even know. I had the theory that Makima here is a fiend-like power. Or even maybe she's like Denji. I don't know anymore, but she has to be something because she was shot in the head and she just woke up and was fine. That's not normal. That's not human. So what the hell is going on with her? Because I feel like a contract or a pact with a demon wouldn't bring you back to life like that. So Makima, what the fuck are you?
向こうはかなり混乱しているようで、正確な情報はまだ来ていません。現在、被害状況を確認中とのことです。
今すぐ東京に応援に行きますか？
今から行っても間に合わないだろうね。おそらく敵の目的はデンジ君だ。ここで対応しよ
う。You'll do what you can from here.
黒瀬君、法務省から終身刑以上の犯罪者を30人ほど借りてきて。天童ちゃん、近くにあるできるだけ標高が高い神社を一つ貸し切って。
She confuses me.
どこ行くんだ？
Why does she need inmates?
急げ。しばらく俺はもう戦え
ない。They're not gonna get away with this.
お前も手伝え。
I just don't know who's gonna save him. Aki, Power, Makima somehow?
おいおい、持てよ。
なんだこれ。
テンパってんじゃねえ。持て。
おい、なんか変な感じだ。
ああ？
変な感じってどういう？
What? This is her power?
こちらイーハン。さっきから C 班との連絡が取れないんだ。
How did she even know? The birds? Okay, yeah, the birds. But what are the inmates doing for her?
なんで俺たちも目隠し。
マキマさんは内閣官房長官直属のデビルハンターよ。一階のデビルハンターや契約している悪魔を知ることは許されない。
Devil contracts, so she is contracted to a devil.
三島修造と言いなさい。
三島修造。さっさとチェーンソー運べ。はい。
Oh my god.
おい、車に運べ。おい、聞いてるのか。
That's how she does it. Ooh. How did she get the names though? Why do they have to say the names? This is insane. What a power. Oh! Are the inmates dying too? Why not these two? Does she not have their names?
ここで私ができることは終わりました。東京に戻ります。
Are the inmates dead? No, she is not easily killed. What now? She survived! Oh my god, I thought she was a goner. Oh, he died. Oh my god, he saved her by turning around. Show us what you can do. What? No way she's a badass. No way she's dodging bullets. Oh my god. Oh my god, she's incredible. Are you dead? Are you dying? Wow. I'm so impressed by her. You're scared of her. I wish I remembered her name.
この間は殺そうとしてごめんね。
Oh yeah, this made up for it, girl. She laughing?
殺そうとしてごめんってなんだそれ。
Yeah, she's traumatized, but laughing? Oh, this girl is breaking.
ダメだ、ハイになっちゃってる。
Wow.
私をかばって、私のせいで、そんな、私
This is the start of something for her.
この仕事してたらおかしくなる。
No. No, this is her
そばに
beginning.
あったらやめるって言おう。
No, I don't believe for 1 second that this girl is quitting now. I thought she was gonna quit last time. She's not quitting now, especially once she learns that Himino is dead from this attack. Especially after we were just shown how amazing she is in battle. Absolutely, we're not losing her. No, there's something big in store for her. I can just tell. And I can't wait to see what it is. Because she is incredible. I wish I remembered her name. I feel so bad. I really didn't think that she was gonna come back. Not in this way, anyway.
得意化はどれくらい生きてる？
特異1課、2課、3課、4課ともに銃撃に遭い、人外以外はほとんど全員死にました。
Everyone is dead except for the
得意化だけを狙った
non-humans.
銃での襲撃、銃の悪魔が関わっているだろう。
上から通達です。人員不足のため、特異1課、2課、3課は4課と合併。以降、公安大麻特異4課を牧間さんの指揮下に置きます。最後に教えてください。牧間さんは今回の事態をどこまで想定していましたか？
Anticipate.
一般市民に公安の内部事情を教え
She
られ
knew
ない
the
よ。
attack was going to happen?
まどかくん、今までありがとう。これ渡しておくね。
マキマさん、俺たち得意科に入るわけやないですからね。
指導に来ただけですからね。
1週間ですぐ京都に戻りますから。
残念。東京は美味しいお店がたくさんあるのに。
And that was Chainsaw Man episode 9. What an insane episode. Makima, not dead. No, she could take a bullet to the head and be completely fine. What the fuck? Who are you? Who is she? What is she? Because she cannot be human. I refuse to believe it. I thought she was a fiend like Power. I still think that could be the case. Maybe she's like Denji. Maybe that's why she's so interested in Denji, because he's another case similar to her own, where they don't pop up that frequently. I don't know. Or maybe it is like the show said. They had those two characters from the Public Safety Commission, I think that's what it's called. They came to find Miss Makima. They were saying how they're not allowed to know about devil contracts between the higher-ups and their devils. So it's a secret. They can't know. And because of that, I feel like it's not a contract with a devil. Because what could she possibly be offering the devil? It's not her flesh. Because we know Aki does that, we know Himino did that. Makima obviously doesn't, unless it's hidden under her clothing. But I don't know, I just doubt it. I just doubt that she has a contract with the devil. I feel like she's a fiend or she's like Denji. But she's not human. No, no human could ever walk away from a bullet in the head like that. No. And then I also found it super interesting that when they asked her about the shooting, she said that she wasn't shot. She lied. She was shot. She was very much shot. But she lied. Why would she do that? Why would she do that unless she's hiding something? Maybe she is. Maybe she's hiding what she is. Maybe the Public Safety Commission, maybe they don't know what she is either. Maybe she's hiding it from everyone. I don't know. She's very intriguing. She's very fascinating. Also, they brought up at the end of the episode that maybe she knew this attack was going to happen, that she anticipated it. Why? Why would you say that to her? There's no reason to, except in the end, 4 divisions of special forces are combined into one, and Makima gets to lead them all. So it's a good outcome for her. Maybe that's why he was implying that she knew something about it and that she let it happen, because it's a good outcome for her. I don't know, she's a businesswoman though. Oof. I don't know, but she is just so intriguing. And I really want to learn more about her, but I have a feeling we're just gonna get like bits and pieces just fed to us over time. So we're always just constantly clinging to our theories. I just have a feeling. Her power was insane. How she could just smush someone once someone said a name and that person would just literally be smushed to death and explode. Insane. That's so scary. But her power confuses me. So she needed inmates. did she kill them? Like, why did she need them? So someone has to utter the name, and then she does the hand motion, and then that person whose name was said out loud dies. But the inmate, it seemed like, died too. So that's why she needed them, because she needed someone to say the name so she could kill them, and then she wouldn't die herself? Is that how that works? I don't know. Another intriguing part of Miss Makima. And then, out of nowhere, this girl who tried to sacrifice Denji in the hotel literally saved his life and revealed herself to be such a badass. Oh my god, she is so competent, she is so fast, and she is amazing. She was scaring that girl with the snake contract with that devil. Like, she scared them. They ran from her. And I know she's talking about quitting now, and that she needs to talk to Himino to quit, but she doesn't know Himino is dead. So I have a feeling she is not gonna quit. I thought she was gonna quit last time with the hotel incident. For sure, I thought she was quitting. Now she's saying she's gonna quit? No way. I don't believe it for a second that she's quitting. They just showed us how competent she was, how badass she was. They showed us her making up for what she did in a previous episode. She wanted to sacrifice Denji, and here she saved him. And so I just don't think her story is over. I feel like this is showing us that she's going to become a bigger character, that there's something else in store for her here. And I can't wait to see what that is. And why were they so afraid of her? Because yeah, she's scary on her own, but you both have a contract with devils. So like, what happened? Why couldn't you summon the snake devil again? You know, like, this is just a girl. Does she have a contract with the devil? Were you sensing that somehow? I don't know, but it's very intriguing too. So I loved everything about that scene. It was a great surprise, and I just can't wait to learn more about her. And I really want to get her name. I completely forget what her name is. This poor girl, like, I felt so bad for her in those hotel episodes, and I really thought she was just like not gonna be a main character, not gonna be a core one, so I didn't really bother remembering her name. Oops, my bad, but I'll try to get it next episode, and hopefully she sticks around and she doesn't quit, because I don't know, this show likes to surprise me too, so maybe I'm completely wrong and then this is her last episode and she's gone forever. But I hope not, because she seems so cool. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought about this episode. If you enjoyed my reaction, please leave a like and subscribe, and check out my other shows here on the channel. And with that, thank you for watching. Until next time, bye!